Housing lot na less than 1 hour lang tumawa. Check natin yan in this new episode of our open house by A&D. Good day everyone, this is Joe Armenta, your ahead to next door. And for today's video, andito tayo sa Tansa, Cavite to check this wonderful project by Remulan Lands, the Stansia Enclave. By the way guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure to click the subscribe button para lagi kayong updated every time we upload new videos. And kung kayo naman ay interested dito sa project, you can always contact us on our Facebook page, Ayan Next Door. We are also available in WhatsApp and Viber. So for today's video, ang check natin na unit is the duplex unit here at Stansia Enclave. So 80 square meters yung pinakang lot area mo, and yung floor area naman ay 55 square meters. Pagdating sa harap, you still have around 2.5 meters na easement from the house dito sa ating sidewalk. Pwede ka dito magpalagay ng landscape, pabakuran mo, o kaya naman pwede mo rin siyang palagyan ng bubong in the future. Then, tara, dito tayo sa side ng house. So, since ito ay duplex unit, yung ating parking space ay nasa side ng iyong house. Dito sa space na to, you can fit 2 cars. Kung yung sasakyan mo ay sedan, kasyang-kasya yung dalawa. Pwede ring 1 SUV, 1 sedan, pero kung mga mahahaba tulad ng van, kasya na yung isa. Then you still have plenty of space. Pwede mong gawing parking space ng iyong motor. Then meron tayong sliding door dito sa gilid ng house. Ito na yung pinakang access mo papasok. And dito naman sa likod, ang service area. Nasa around 2 meters pa rin to. Pwede mong pabakuran in the future. Pasukin natin yung loob ng unit. So this unit is a complete finish upon turnover. That means, meron na tayong tiles, may pintura na yung ating walls, and yes po, kasama rin sa turnover yung ating kitchen countertop and yung ating mga overhead cabinets. Diba? Sulit na kasi hindi ka na mag-iisip pa kung saan ka bibili. And in the future, kung gusto mo na mas malawak pa yung space mo dito sa living area, pwede mong i-move yung kitchen mo sa likod since you still have plenty of space inside your house. Marami ka ring malalaking bintana para sa magandang pasok ng natural light and ventilation dito sa loob ng bahay. But still, kung gusto mo magpalagay ng aircon, it's a plus. Then tara, puntahan naman natin yung first toilet and bath. So sa ground floor, yung ating first toilet and bath, meron na siyang kasamang toilet, lavatory, and your shower area. Nakaseparate siya guys doon sa floor. Medyo mas naka-elevate yung dito sa ating toilet. And nakababa yung sa shower para yung tubig dire-diretso yung tagas hanggang sa sink natin. Then dito naman, under the stair, you still have space na pwede mong gawing storage. Kung meron kayong pet, pwede ka dito maglagay ng pet house o kaya naman gawin mong storage cabinet. Pwede. Tara, second floor. As you can see, ang ganda nung pagka-design ng ating handrail dito sa stairs. And high ceiling siya guys, na may mga malalaki ka ditong windows para yung pasok ng natural light inside the house is good. And pwede ka ditong maglagay ng chandelier in the future. So for our second floor, we have 3 bedrooms. Yes po, 3 bedrooms yung meron tayo. And 1 toilet and bath. Pasukin natin. So pag-akyat mo sa second floor, yung ating flooring ay naka-vinyl tiles na. And you also have bedroom partition. This will be your first bedroom. Meron siyang window access sa ating service area. And guys, meron na rin tayo naka-ready na provision for air condition. So, hindi mo na kailangang patiktik pa, patibag pa yung bahay mo kasi meron nang nakalagay. And meron din siyang mga cabinets. Hindi na siya makita dito sa video. Ayan. So, free na po ito upon turnover. And check din natin yung iba pang rooms. For your second bedroom, this is identical with the first bedroom. Same size lang sila. Merong bintana, merong provision for aircon, and again, another wardrobe para sa mga gamit mo. And last but not the least is our master's bedroom. So this is the most spacious bedroom inside this house. Also, you have provision for air conditioning here. Yan. And mga cabinets. Mas malaki to kaysa dun sa dalawang nauna. And in your master's bedroom, you have an access to the toilet and bath here on the second floor. This is relatively larger than the one on the ground floor kasi nakaseparate talaga yung toilet mo and yung wash area. Then sa ating shower, separate din siya. Pwede mo itong palagyan ng cover, glass cover. It depends upon your preference, how you will maximize the space in the future. But still, meron pa rin siyang access on our main hallway. It's up to you kung gusto niyo siyang ipa-enclose, gawin niyo siyang ensuite toilet and bath, or like this one, common toilet and bath here in the second floor. So since na-check na natin yung ating actual turnover, puntahan naman natin next yung ating dressed up unit. Tara, pasukin natin. Welcome sa ating dressed up unit. So yung ating pinaka main entrance, ang ginawa nila, dito nilagay yung pinakang entertainment showcase, your TV. And on the side of your house is your sofa, your living area. Kung tatandaan nyo, andito pa rin yung ating sliding door going to your service area and parking space. Then dito naman yung ating kitchen and dining area. Kung natatandaan nyo kanina, yung ilalim ng hagdan, meron siyang malaki pang space sa storage. Ganito yung ginawa nila, naglagay sila ng mga cabinets and some place you can put your ornaments. And also, dito naman sa ating toilet and bath, medyo madilim lang guys kasi hindi na-on yung ating mga ilaw. Naglagay sila ng enclosure for the shower. Pwede mo itong gayahin. O kaya naman, it's good as is, kahit hindi mo na siya lagyan, maganda na siya. Then, puntahan natin yung second floor. Same layout pa rin ng stairs. Naglagay sila ng mga kortina dito para naman yung shade natin ma-regulate and at the same time, additional privacy inside the house. Then sa second floor, puntahan natin. So this is a high ceiling. Pwede ka ditong maglagay ng chandelier. It depends upon your preference. Dito, naglagay sila ng painting. Pwede ka dito maglagay ng family picture. O kaya naman, kung kayo ay more on religious side, pwede ka dito maglagay ng altar. Check natin. So dito, wala na sila masyadong binago. Same ng tiles, same ng partition, pero naglagay sila ng mga gamit. Para magkaroon tayo ng idea paano natin siya isa-setup. But again, let me apologize for some dark places kasi dito sa taas, hindi naka-on yung ating electric connection. So, for example dito, hindi naka-on yung ilaw. Nilagay sila ng bedroom here and closet. Then yung kanina, mayroong butas for aircon. So, dito talaga siya naka-allot. Then dito naman sa ating second bedroom. Actually, I like the setup na ginawa nila dito. Kung meron kayong girly sa inyong house, you can copy the layout of this one. Actually, mukha siyang couch. Titingnan mo, more than a bedroom because of this one. But still, this is a bed na pwede niyong gayahin. And yung ating master's bedroom. So, advantage kay master's bedroom, sa kanya yung pinakamaraming window and siya yung nakaharap sa facade ng house. Kitang-kita mo yung view. And then you also have more space here compared with other rooms. Then yung ating toilet and bath, may access ka rin. Same as our previous model. So guys, kung kayo ay interested in this unit, you can contact us on our Facebook page, Ahente Next Door. We are also available on WhatsApp and Viber. Follow nyo rin kami sa TikTok para naman updated kayo every time we post new videos. Again, this is Joe Armenta, the Ahente Next Door, your partner in real estate.